I'm Billy Schaefer, and on today's Moment with McClaskey, I want to talk about benchmarking and how you can use it to improve your business. Well, whenever you are looking at doing something within your business, you're wanting to improve a specific place, an idea, a technique. Well, benchmarking is where you go out and you look around, find out who is doing it well, and see what they're doing. There's no need to start from scratch on ideas. Everything in the world has already been done. Well, most everything, but the idea that you're going to create something wild and new in order to improve your business, well, is that really going to happen? Or are you only going to take an idea that already exists and improve upon it? So to benchmark somebody, here's what you need to do. Find out what you want to improve. And then I want you to do three things. Find a company that does it very well. Watch what they do and see, can you write down what they're actually doing when they do this process to improve their business? And then third, adjust it. How can it fit your business? It can't be identical because identical is what works for them, not for you. Once you've adjusted, try to roll this out and use this as an idea of how you can improve your business. Benchmarking is an incredible tool because you're going to find people that have already walked the path towards excellence, and you're going to be able to pick up the tips and tricks of the trade that they have already suffered and fought for in order to improve their business. And now you can apply their ideas, maybe their path, maybe their technique, or maybe just a small nugget of information that is going to help you improve yours. And that is the art of benchmarking. And this was your Moment with McClaskey.